In this video, I'm gonna show you how to get inside a military base without any stars in GTA 5. So it's pretty easy. So as you can see, guys, I'm just gonna activate the mode right now. I'm gonna click here, and if I go inside, I'm just gonna go inside this military base, and there you go. I'm completely with no stars or anything. So if you're looking to download this mode, all you have to do is just let me just close this down. Let me exit this. I'm gonna exit GTA 5, and the first thing you wanna do is just go to Google Chrome. So I have it open right here, and then you wanna type in menu mod. Go to this one, and then you want to download menu 2.0. Download it like this, and then go to script hook v. Go to this first website and download this another file here. Once you have this downloaded, you want to open the GTA 5 folder. So go to manage, and you should be able to open it like this. So after you have this opened, open your downloads. So I have the downloads here. Let me just delete this. Okay, so you want to go to script hook v bin and copy all of the DLL files. Once you copy them, just paste them inside of your GTA folder like this. And once you do this, go back and go into your menu downloaded folder and copy menu staff and menu.asi. Copy them and paste them here like this. Okay, and once you do this, you're basically done. Before you launch your GTA 5, however, you want to go to manage and make sure you have launch options turned on and no battle eye. Type in dash no battle eye, and then go. You can just launch your GTA here. Let me just do something here. Okay guys, as you can see, I am at the military base right now, and as you can see, if I try to cross, they will give me 4 stars. So what I can do is simply activate the mod, click F8, go to player options, go all the way down, and wanted level, you want to make sure you click enable never wanted, and just go down here. As you can see now, you can easily just cross through the military base and you won't get any stars. So let me just show you here. Here is the military base, as you can see. And that's it for this video. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a like and subscribe.